What's up, guys? It's your girl Tasia G, and I'm back today with some more food in my plate. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what mom cooked up first. All right, hold on. Y'all, what we have here today, baby, we have some fried dumplings, some plantains, saltfish, cabbage, and banana. This is so good. Where's the banana? Right here. Here's the banana right here. Look at this. How you look at this? Look at this perfect sweet dumpling right here. Mmm. Got the soft fish right here. Y'all. So, woo! That fish is nice and spicy. Y'all just don't know. And this is the cabbage. Last thing on my plate. Cabbage right here. I like my cabbage with a lot of spice, a lot of pepper. Mmm. This is a real Jamaican dish right here. Look at this. So good. I like to put my saltfish in the bread. Okay, that is the best thing since sliced bread. Plantain, because it's sweet.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.